Okay, Denise, what day is today?
My birthday.
And what day is that?
April 27th.
And how old are you today?
7.
7. So what are all those things you got there?
Well, this is a webkin. This is an enchanted puzzle.
Who gave you all that stuff?
Well, this is from Anastasia. This is from Marie. And this is from Bella. And this is from Kara.
What is that?
What?
That you got in your hand from Kara. Yeah.
It's a beach towel.
It's a beach towel? A
And
3D beach towel?
And this is makeup from Gabby. I'm going to try to open it. See?
Oh, wow.
There's everything you'll need. It's hard to close, see? There. There. Finally got it. And this is from Abby. And this came with it.
Wow, that's pretty neat. What is that?
Polly Pockets.
Polly
And-
Pockets?
oh,
What about Polly Pockets? What is that? It's like a water amusement park?
Yeah, and I have 2 of them now, so it's going to be a big.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wait a second.
What else you got there?
Here. And it's real cool because it says my name, and you can spell D-E-N-I-S-E. And what does that spell?
Denise.
And here's some little me. And this is cool because I had a teacup party. And I'm holding my pea in my dress.
Wow, that's really nice. Who brought you that?
Kinley.
Kinley? Wow, that's quite neat.
Oh,
And what else did you get?
Kinley bought me this. And it's this little thing, but this heart is real cool. You get to decorate it with all the stuff, and it can open and close. And that's all.
And that's all?
Uh-huh.
Well, you sure did a great job in getting a lot of presents this year.
Yeah, I'm nice.
All right.
Bye.
See you next year. When you're 8.
Yep. Bye-bye.